see them.
They were right here, Kion.
They must be lost in the smoke.
Help! Help!
Beshte, Bunga, you're with me. Oh no, see if you can guide us from the sky.
Affirmative. Guys! The fires are limited to the trees at the top of the canyon. It's not spreading any further. Guys? Guys?
This way, elands! This way!
Thank you, Kion.
We're not out of the woods yet.
Actually, Kion, we are.
He means the fire's still a threat.
Right. We need to get everyone into the canyon.
Of course. The canyon's a natural break against the fire.
Come on, elands. You can follow me.
Look out!
Kion!
We're okay, but we're cut off. Oh no! Any other way down? Or across?
I don't think so. The canyon narrows up ahead, but it's too far for the elands to jump.
Maybe they can't jump it, but if we could cross it... Beshte, we could sure use a bridge right about now.
Just what I was thinking. One big V bridge coming up.
Big B Bridge! Told you it'd catch on.
Windeki Boko! All right, elands.
Let's go.
Is it safe?
It's safer than flames.
Good point.
Keep moving. You doing okay, Beshte?
Of course he's okay. He did it before with the Hyraxes. Right, Big B?
Well, a herd of eland is a little heavier than Hyraxes, but I don't mind.
That's all of them, Kion.
Nice work, Beshte.
Check your local TV listings for full episodes.